So guys, this is the chain case on the side of it. So this attaches to this drum, this is to this drum, and then we have a hydraulic drive motor here in the middle for forward and reverse. These are your tensioners here. I am not 100% sure how to take these off, but it looks like you back off these stops slowly and loosen here. This is spring loaded, hence you can see the big warning. So, wish me luck and we'll see how it goes. Hold up. Hope you like what you're seeing. What a better time to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Don't cost you anything. Thanks for watching. Oh. So guys, there's a couple of grenade pin holes here, so that when you bring the tension down on these, it lines up your holes, so then you can back it off. That should allow you need a bigger hammer. And maybe if I loosen the last bolt. Take it out, whatever. Perfect. So yeah, this is a little better look. A hole there, hole there. It's basically like a belt tensioner. And the vehicle has a large spring inside here and here that holds the pressure on those chains. Hey guys, well, should be easy enough to take this chain off now. Probably easier with two hands, but you guys need a shot. Yeah. So this is a triple roller chain. Lay this off to the side. So I'm not sure if I have to take these off, but it will definitely make it easier. So it just looks like it's a snap ring on both. And if it is set up, yes, it's set up like the other side, where we take the bolts out and then this will slide up off of the rollers. So once I have the sprockets off, it shouldn't be too hard to lift the whole body off, leaving the drive motor in place. We'll see when I flip it over if I'm going to take the drive motor out or not. I'd rather leave it in, but I think I'm going to have to take it out to make sure I clean everything out. So I'll probably haul these sprockets off while I'm at it. Yeah. It'd be really nice if I had the right pliers for this, but currently I don't. That's all. Remember the black part? Alright guys, I don't have a big enough 3-jaw puller to pull this off right now, and I'm wondering if I even need to. I'm thinking that these 4 bolts may allow this to drop out, and this just is a dust shield. We'll try it. I've been wrong lots before, could be wrong this time. So I'll take the same 4 out on the other side, and then we can just see if we can jack it up. So that didn't work. So I'm gonna try to get these 4 bolts out in here. Let's see, I cut that plate. That should pop down. Okay guys, I think I found out what's happening. These are cleaner bars to clean the drum, and I believe with the amount of asphalt and everything that's built up on this inside, it's jamming up. So I'll take this one off. The 2 on the middle are already removed. We've done that in the summer to try and help it free up. We'll see. Solid. Okay guys, I didn't find the problem. She does have 2 dowel pins, one here and one here, and the same on the other side, and they have to be driven in. It looks like there's just alignment pins for when we go to put this back together. So it should be. Okay. Let's see what's like the other side. So as you see, guys, it's just a roll pin. This is just for locating. Help line up the bolts after the fact. Okay, it's mostly free here now, but looks, this brake is going to be in the way. There may be something else on the other side holding it, but we'll get this brake off first. Yep, that made a difference. As you can tell, this brake hasn't worked in a long time. But we'll get that cleaned up, back to function. So, let's see now if this will actually completely release. Kind of. Should let go on one side. Put this hole in. That's good, that's clear. Take it back to the asphalt. It's holding this up. Squat my fingers. Great. Okay, so we got the first drum out. I think we got the system figured out, even though it may not be OSHA approved. We'll get this side out now, and we'll flip it over, let you see what's inside. I think that's where we're going to end this video. So let's get this out.
Same thing on this side.
I think she might come out. There you go. Second one down on the floor. Like I said, I'll get this rolled over, then I'll show you what's underneath, what's jamming it up. So guys, this is what it looks like underneath. As you can see, there's a massive pile of asphalt all along here. This is the actual drive motor that's basically encased in asphalt. We need to get all this off. What was happening is you get a fine layer of gravel or the dust built up in here, and once it got cold, then it would start to jam the drums and really freeze solid. As you can see, there's big chunks of it. But a blowtorch and heating this up, and it will peel off pretty easily. These two lines, we'll see when we get them out what they're like. If there's any wear, we'll get them replaced now while it's apart. Also, there are two scrapers that go in here. These are the ones we removed this summer to hopefully try and get the rest of the season out of it. I'll replace these and sharpen them up, adjust them up when we're putting it back together. Get all this cleaned up, and then this will be good to go for next year. Thanks for following along. Stay tuned for the next video when we get this asphalt off and start to get this cleaned up. As always, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.